Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to crop image in Google Sheets document. So get let's started. In this video, I will show crop image. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click for drawing option. Now select from the image option. Now click for browse. Then find your image. Now for open. Then I show insert from the image. This image is a crop. Now click for the crop image option. Then crop from the only bird in the image. Now crop image. Now click for a save and close option. That's it. Then we show crop image in Google Sheets document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for